graduating summa cum laude, and the honors program, Imran Ghani.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Imran Ghani, and I graduated from Zaytuna College, class of 2018. My years at Zaytuna I considered among the best years of my life. I had previously studied at another university where I had taken loans. I was working 2 to 3 jobs at the time and didn't really get to benefit from the education. And so because of Zaytuna's policy to support students in their education journey, I was able to get full funding, and I didn't have to worry about making money in order to pay for my education. And for that reason, I got to spend time reading, becoming literate, learning how to write, how to think critically, how to express myself through written and spoken word. So one of the best advices from a professor was Dr. Mark Delp. During a student town hall, he encouraged students to take joy in the process of learning. And I really internalized that advice, and that the process of going from a place of ignorance or a place of not knowing something to a place where you know something is truly a joyous process. And the way that this advice changed me is, like a lot of students at Zaytuna, I have an addiction to reading. My house is filled with 2 to 3 books that I'm reading at the same time. Currently, I'm reading books on Sharia because of my role at CAIR, but I'm also reading a book on business negotiations, as well as trying to finally make it through the Brothers of Karamazov. So Zaytuna makes you someone who's able to read a wide range of topics and to be able to get to the deeper meanings of a text. So my education at Zaytuna helps me every day at my role as Director for CAIR Houston, the Council on American Islamic Relations. We have to respond to current events very quickly and be able to have press releases and talking points ready for the media, for the community, talking to government officials. And especially in this political climate that we're in today, being able to communicate effectively with logical thinking, argument, is a skill that is very useful. So that time in Zaytuna where I was reading 500 to 1,000 pages a week, because that's how rigorous the curriculum is, both in the English language, and it's also got rigorous Arabic reading. Being able to read large amounts of content and then to transform it into knowledge is something that is a priceless asset to have in my role at CAIR. So please donate to Zaytuna. Please support Zaytuna College. It's a wonderful, wonderful gift to America, not just the Muslim community, in raising critical thinkers in these times, and we desperately need that. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.